What? Yeah?
Taking all respiration, like taking all this professional before. No, I wasn't. I had left and went to mom's to sleep for a couple hours, and I called there at 1, and they said that there was no change. So we started thinking, nothing's special. So maybe he was waiting for us to leave so we could pass. So we're like, well, maybe we should leave, at least for a few hours. And so then we left. And I called at 1, and there was no change. And I set my alarm for
You gonna land it on
3.
the table?
And then they called me at 2:20. He said, I'm so sorry he's already passed. We've been in there less than 15 minutes ago. And he was the same. Heart rate 160 and respiration.
Good job, buddy. That was awesome.